This is the Lee Tessitore Bromberg Team's guide to how to make a great lifestyle video. First, you'll need 3 experienced real estate agents with over $200 million in sales.
Actually, it's $300 million.
Over $300 million in sales. Very impressive. Next, you'll need these 3 great agents to walk through a park, but in slow motion. Slower motion. And for a sophisticated look, try doing it in black and white. Yes, such elegance. And don't forget to add sunglasses. If set in New York City, always make sure your agents are seen hailing an iconic yellow cab. This tells your audience that they are real New Yorkers. Next, let's tell the audience a few things about the team's brand identity, like
Purchasing a property will be the most important transaction of your life.
and,
Our market knowledge is unbeatable.
and,
The best part about this job is helping people find their perfect home.
showing off other language skills is a great way to attract an international audience.
Bonjour. 안녕하세요.
¿Cómo está?
Hey,
Did you know they've been consistently ranked in the top 10 sales teams, and they're part of the multi-million-dollar club?
who, us?
Yes, you guys. And finally, you will need a contact details page. And this will happen in 3, 2, 1, now.